One of the things that I love about nurses in business is that they bring so much expertise to the table. And a nurse that has even just 3 years of experience, 3 to 5 years experience, they have 10,000 hours or more of expertise that they're bringing to any venture that they go into. So you have stories in that 10,000 hours of expertise that you have, the 10,000 plus. You have stories within there that you can share with people. And those stories are really powerful because people will see, your audience will see themselves in the stories that you tell. Because when you share stories, people will see themselves in your stories. And if they believe that you can understand their problem, they will believe that you have the solution. And in fact, once you articulate the problem, people are going to start asking you for a solution. And it's kind of unnatural to talk about yourself as a nurse. And I went through this struggle myself. I had a hard time talking about myself, and I felt like I was bragging. And if you don't say it, then nobody will know. And I spent so much time in my career just being invisible and being the martyr on the unit that did all the work but didn't want any of the credit for it. And it got me nowhere. So it's not about you bragging about what you did. And that's where I think stories come in and are really powerful, because you can use them as case studies and show your expertise through how you helped other people. And then it won't feel like bragging. You're just telling stories, and it will amplify your credibility and your expertise. Nurses need to really exemplify their expertise to show that you are the authority. And it might not be something that you're accustomed to. Maybe it's an area that you're a little uncomfortable. But it's something that's really important because people want to be secure and they want to know that they can trust your expertise. And you have it. You know you have that expertise. And when you start a business, you're not in the hospital anymore. You don't need permission from anybody to start your business, to run your business, and to educate people. It's something that you're going to have to grow into because it's important to share the stories. It's important to allow people to know that you have this expertise that can actually help them. When I first started as a nursepreneur and owning my own business, I really was kind of hesitant to tell people about what I was doing. But then I met nurses who were in business and who were doing amazing things, and I wanted to share their stories. So I started the NursePreneurs podcast, where we do share stories of nurses and their expertise. And them telling the story showcases their expertise, and it's not bragging, and it's a way that we can all be inspired by what they're doing. And it's the same thing with you and your audience. It's a matter of letting them know that you have something that can help them. That's why I think it's really important to be part of a group or a community, especially a group like NursePreneurs, where we have nurses in business that are sharing what they do, because it gives you that confidence. And I think when you have a role model, or a lot of role models for that matter, it's easier for you to come into this comfort zone with us and to start sharing your expertise. If this video is helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, because we have lots of resources that can help you. We also have many more resources on our website at nursepreneurs.com.